Hello, Tere homicus. Welcome to my channel again. It's already passed so much time since the last picture that you saw about the sound post patch. Here we are, and this is the same instrument, and I am about to glue the top on the body. If you want to see how it's doing, so continue watching. Let's go. Okay, let's start. The first thing that we have to do usually is to put in the right position the top. So, and for that I have this clamp here. First we start by the C's, this part, the middle, because it's the most difficult part that to make match everything in the right position. So we start by the C's and we start to put these clamps here. Of course, watching always if control all the time how it's matched here, right? So here we are. I put this clamp, I check everything. Here in this instrument was quite complicated because this instrument didn't have so much border. This instrument has been repaired before and we don't have border here, like here. Here we have, can you see, this is the normal, I will put more light there. This is the normal way as should be, but in this side we don't have so much border. I am trying to do my best to make it fit in the position as it was before when I received. So, and we close it in that way because there is no other option. It was like this before. So here we can see that we don't have border here because this instrument has been repaired before and we have one space between the two ribs. So here, so all this space that we have here should be here. If the ribs could be moving more close to the other one, these ribs could be more together and we don't have this space. Here we're gonna have the regular space that usually the instrument has. But in this opportunity we don't have, so I will try to do my best. So I will start to put the clamps all around. These are the clamps. As you can see, they are long because they are for cello. And like they are for cello, they are fit in all the instruments. So I am using also in this situation too. So I will start to put the clamp. Not all of them, just the most important places, and to start to fit the top on the ribs. And I will doing all to do this one all around the instrument. I don't need to put all the clamps. Repeat again. I just put the most important places. Control how it's touching here, right? Yeah. In this way. So to don't lose so much video, to don't make so long the video showing this one, I will cut the video now and I will show you later when I have everything ready. So my glue is getting hot over there. You can see it in the camera, but you can believe me that the glue is there. So here, so the idea is to put everything in the right place already. We say in Spanish to introduce the top to the body to see how they match, but I don't know how they say in English that. So at the moment I do like this. I think it's quite okay to have on this one. The only problematic place was one here. The only problematic place was here that then I didn't have any. So, but now it's quite okay. So I will try to leave it like this. So let's go to the next step. To glue this one, I'm gonna use two spatulas. One spatula like this one, the other one smaller one, and the glue is here. Because here is a hot glue. We never use white glue. So we can see how it's coming stuff. Okay, so I will go to start. Okay, the two spatulas are the material, the fabric, like always, and a brush to clean all the stuff. So I will start by here and I'll go to the bottom. This is long, so I need it long, the spatula to arrive to here under the finger board, to arrive to the interblock. So here I will go in this way, in modi. Cloth here, and I go to clean all the excess of the glue that I don't want to have it there. So first in this way. And when I put the clamp, I will do it with brush. Hello, hi there. It's already past some hours, so we can remove the clamp. So let's go to do it. Okay, here we have all the viola finished already. So now I will start to work on the varnish. I have to make the samples, the bridge, retouch all this stuff here around the border. All this varnish clean well first, and then first clean it well, and then to touch the varnish stuff. So I hope you liked the video. Leave a like and see you in the next time. Ciao.